Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by logging into the router web GUI from a wired PC. This avoids dropouts and saves time. Once logged in, locate the admin password area and verify the firmware version. Updating matters because fixes and new features control data accurately. Make sure to list connected devices by MAC or hostname so you know what to limit. From here, open the Traffic Control or COS section. That's where you'll set priorities and caps. And why you begin here is to avoid accidental lockouts later. Once in Traffic Control, enable COS and pick whether to prioritize by device or application. You do this because it shapes who gets bandwidth during contention. Then assign priority tiers and set explicit upload/download caps or percentage shares. 70/30 splits work for household fairness. Make sure to use schedules to block heavy apps at peak times and create a separate guest network with a hard cap so visitors don't consume your main allocation. Review each rule and apply them step by step to avoid conflicts. You finish by monitoring real-time traffic graphs and logs to confirm rules behave as expected. That shows who's using bandwidth and why. Run speed tests before and after changes, then tweak caps in 10 to 20% steps so performance remains usable. Once satisfied, save a configuration backup and enable auto-updates if available. If something goes wrong, reboot the router first. If that fails, restore your backup or factory defaults as a last resort. This troubleshooting step often resolves misapplied policies quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.